I'm a person who likes to see results and to see action. I think the International Development Association, otherwise known as IDA, is doing exceptional work. If I had my way, I would be shouting from the rooftops that we need to replenish the resources there in a big way. Even just as we done bailouts in the failing financial system, when we had a financial crisis, that we should double up what we can do to replenish IDA.
Change is happening every minute, every day. In the last 10 years, 2 million classrooms have been built worldwide. Over 113 million people have access to cleaner water. Millions of disaster survivors are rebuilding their lives. The time is now to empower, to deliver results for every dollar spent, to create lasting change.
One of the very important initiatives for any low-income country, any poor country, is the provision of education. The provision of education at every level, especially at the lower levels. The fact that you need our kids to get into school, and we have very many of them. One of the most significant differences IDA has made is education. And that's so crucial. I went to a school which was clearly, the school's infrastructure. So I am one who benefited from an IDA project-supported educational institution. So it's very, very significant, given the numbers of kids, both primary level, secondary level. I could speak about health service delivery at every level, not simply infrastructure, but especially infrastructure, because of the levels of funding that are required for these kinds of infrastructure inputs, really. So IDA, very significant.
I think we're all in together. I think that what is important is the development of partnerships.
Right.
And within that, the whole question of mutual accountability, the whole question of transparency are very key. In fact, I think I like what I've seen in the bank here about its transparency policy. So that in terms of what the bank is doing, we on the ground who are involved in monitoring and advocacy, we can say that, look, this is what the bank has done, what has country A in our continent done in terms of what has been put on the table. And those partnerships will contribute, strengthen our move in terms of our partnerships, remembering that the goal of what we're doing is improving the lives of the people on the ground.